Yo, this is MoneyMitchMedia. We were back at the vlog. Chris brought a surprise today.
I did bring a surprise.
Tell us what it is.
So here we have the Dodge Charger EV. It is the RT, so it's only the stage 1, not the stage 2.
Yep, I saw the stage 1 logo on the fucking side.
But this thing is pretty fun. Like,
before y'all start talking shit, everyone talks shit about the EVs. This actually looks pretty good. I can't lie. Like, would I buy it? Probably not. But I would drive it. I would drive it around 100%. So let's look at the whole car. Let's look at the interior before y'all start judging.
But I was saying that this little like texture or whatever it is that they added, I like that a lot.
Low key, I'm thinking about it. I'm like, damn, you should have gapped his fucking ass. Yeah, no, I could tell.
Quick on that, because to me it looked like I was farther in front. So I feel like once I watched the video from the 360 cam, I was like, oh yeah, I'm like, I stopped too early.
Yeah. Well, I mean, yeah, I understand for multiple reasons why, because I'd be scared to.
See, but I like the way that she clipped it, though.
It's like I know what I'm doing. It's like I do this for a living.
I just break shit and put
Shout out
shit
to
together.
Belen Oreo. Subscribe
to
yeah.
Belen Oreo. Subscribe to Money Mitch, HRTX Chris. Subscribe to the gang. Devin, what's your handle?
Night Raven. Night Raven.
There you go. Subscribe to Night Raven.
Nobody cares.
Night Raven.
me and my 10 videos I got. Let's go.
Hey, bro, I got like 20, and I did them all this year. So
that's right.
You're a-okay, my friend. You are a-okay.
The new channel should subscribe to Idaho Remarketing. Try and sell these cars.
Dude, I'd be wanting to get content of us just like walking around downtown, but I never have anyone that's like unemployed with me. So the lighting here is shit. We're gonna go somewhere else so you can see the car, because you can't see it right now. Black car at night doesn't work.
No,
because I thought you were doing. Yeah, because I thought you were doing
something. That wasn't
something.
very chivalrous of you.
I thought you were busy because you were asking them questions about the dash. So I was like, oh, she's doing more pictures.
Oh, okay,
Yeah,
that's valid.
like,
that's valid.
Yeah, that's literally what I just said.
Off the Drake, got me chillin', you to ride round. Inside the Tonka, got no ceiling, yeah, right now. Yeah, need them person about
I feel like we're about to go back to the future. We gotta fly. We gotta, what the? Oh, seatbelts all the way back here. All right, we gotta fly. All right, so now we're driving the 2025 RT Charger.
I don't think you can go this way.
I don't think I could go this way either, but you know what? We're going this way.
Where there's a will, there's a way.
100%.
Oh, she looks like a go.
Yep, and she does, I'm not gonna lie, I see what you're saying, because like I literally just turned the steering wheel like damn near all the way around, and I turned like an inch. It does feel dead, and it feels like it pulls it. Like when you turn it, it feels like it's pulling it whatever way you're turning it. I don't like that. It's like a rocket ship. Like it just feels like it's about to take off. But I kind of like it. Like I like how that feels. And when you don't turn the steering wheel, the car is great. But as soon as you turn the steering wheel, it's like, ew.
Yeah, it has like that little like,
Yeah.
kind of like lifelessness to it.
Yeah, it doesn't, the car just doesn't feel alive at all. But it is a nice car. Like I'm not gonna sit here and say it's not a nice car. Like right, I'll park right here. Fuck it, bro.
Right in the middle of the road. Who do that?
He started to back up as I was about to park. That's exactly why I didn't want to get close.
What the fuck? It was just sitting there.
Yeah, he's an idiot.
Being ignorant on purpose.
Why I didn't want to park close.
Goddamn Kunites.
Yeah. Goddamn Kunites.
Again, he left me. You see this? Thank you. Second time.
Hey, Mitch, you don't love her, do you?
No, he don't. And the camera woman right here? Shit.
Sorry guys, I forgot again. I'm sorry.
Huh? How you forget?
I'm just a guy. I'm just a guy. I'm just a chill guy, man. I'm just a chill guy. Chilling and guying it up, you know. But we drove the 2025 Dodge Charger RT Stage 1. And it is beautiful. I'm recording on my glasses, by the way, if you didn't know. But yes, we drove this. And it is nice. I mean, I'll give it a 6 out of 10. You feel me? I wouldn't buy it, but you know, it's cool to drive, and I can say I drove one. So we outside. We outside. Had to disqualify that option. I said I wanted a hot dog, but I don't eat glizzies, so I had to go.
Mitch wanted a glizzy?
Nah, I'm not a glizzy goblin.
Glizzy goblin?
Not a glizzy goblin.
Oh, they got ropes.
Yeah, they got the nerds. I love nerds. I don't need it. I can resist. You know what I wish they did have though? The wrap snatch. They don't got the wrap snatch, babe.
No, but that salt and vinegar look good.
I'll make Atlas into my my next Jarvis or some shit.
So what are you doing?
I'm putting lottery numbers in the ChatGPT. All right, brother. I got my numbers for you, man. So here we go. Those are the numbers I want you to play for me.
If he wins off of ChatGPT,
The government's coming for me if I win off ChatGPT. I'm going right to jail. So I'll try to like send y'all's money since y'all were here to witness it, and then like if you guys didn't hear from me, I didn't commit. I just know that it was not planned. Hell yeah. We're gonna be millionaires, babe. We're speaking it into.
I actually.
I'll come back, dude. You help me do it, so I'll come back. Yeah.
We're here now. He won't even give him his.
Yeah, right?
Give her his chip.
He got out of the truck and I just sat there waiting and he was like, are we going in? And I just sat there waiting. He opens the door, he's like, what's wrong? I'm like, thanks for being a gentleman, helping me out of the truck.
My lady.
Because I've learned I just sit there and wait now. And I'm like, teaching you to be a gentleman one day at a time. Come on,
Brother's
man.
like, see, dude?
Hey, how do you feel about that?
I was used and abused.
That wasn't me.
That wasn't me. Was forced to it. Okay. Just saying, help. This poor white boy's in need.
And for 50 cents, you can feed this white
You know
boy.
what? You know what? You know what? Come here.
He just fucking up some chips.
Oh, he don't give a shit.
I'm minding the business that pays me.
Vibing.
I'm just a chill guy.
You just chill like that.
Just super chill, bro.
Just chill.
These chips really aren't hitting like I thought they would.
I do want to try them. They look pretty.
Are they like
Is
the
that why you
extra
bought 'em?
crispy ones?
No, I just like honey barbecue chips.
You both dropping them all over the ground.
The Maverick Special let me down. Let me open the door for you so you don't call me a piece of shit.
Thank you. How
black
thoughtful.
So you don't call me a black bastard again. I have a dad, thank you very much.
Thank you.
I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna eat in here either because crumbs have kind of pissed me off. Oh man, I didn't even see him. Like a ninja.
Back to Mitch's house.
She said he like a ninja.
Yeah, I didn't even see him.
Maybe I'm rolling coal on all these people at what?
Do it.
12 o'clock at night. Nobody getting sleep tonight.
That's fine.
Yeah, we don't sleep anyway.
Yeah. I didn't
Sleep is for the weak.
5 in the morning last night, so.